The Han are the dominant ethnic group in China. Hanfu is the traditional clothing of the Han people. Han has a history which can be traced back for thousands of years. And the charm of Hanfu has also flourished for centuries. The style of Hanfu changed into different varieties of the customs in each dynasty. In recent years, the upsurge of the inheritance of Chinese clothing culture has arisen. Wearing Hanfu in a trip or in a party has become a new trend among young people. How could we make Hanfu in a simple way? We need these materials. Fold the paper in half and do it again. Like in the video, draw 2 lines and cut along the lines. Fold the paper to make a skirt. Narrow up and wide down. Fold 3 strips of paper in half. One to cut out a pointed shape. And the other 2 cut through the middle. Glue them together. A beautiful Hanfu is done